Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you Unit 3, the word of magic. Phonic font, NK and anti sound. Read the following poem about take note the highlighted word. Can an ant be pink? Can it drink some ink? Does it live in a vent or in a tent? Does it have a hint how to hunt? How I think without a blink. Read the poem again. List the words which have the same ending sounds as in ant and pink. Can an ant be pink? Can it drink some ink? Does it live in a vent or in a tent? Does it have a hint how to hunt? How I think without a blink. Okay, sound as in ant and pink, pink. Exercise number 1, add nk or anti to complete the words. Read them aloud. Link, link, link. You can see here. Link. Honk, honk. Hint, hint. Hunt, anti sound. Junk, junk. Mint, mint. Think, tink. Think, tink, tink. Rink, rink. Drink, drink. Print, print. Blink, blink. Shrink, shrink. Okay, next. Identify these pictures, unscramble the letters and write the correct words. Read them aloud. NK or anti sound. BENT, bent, anti sound. WINK, wink, NK sound. Think, THINK. Mint, MINT, anti sound. Paint, PAINT. Okay, sink, SINK, sink. Okay, students, homework, you learn it and write in your CW copy. Next, let's read a tale from the Aladdin tales about how Aladdin found the magic lamp. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a poor widow with her son, Aladdin. Aladdin's mother earned very little money by spinning cotton. One fine day, an old man came to their house and claimed that he was Aladdin's uncle. एक दिन एक ओल्ड मैन आया, अब बोला कि मैं अलादीन का अंकल हूँ. द बॉय हैड नेवर सीन हिज अंकल. उसने कभी उसको देखा नहीं था. द ओल्ड मैन टॉक्ड अबाउट हाउ मच he loved his brother and how sad he was to hear about his death. He gave Aladdin some new clothes and soon Aladdin's mother began to believe that this man was actually Aladdin's uncle. माँ को विश्वास हुआ कि उसको अलादीन का अंकल है. One day the old man invited Aladdin to go with him to for a place outside the city. Aladdin agreed and they soon reached a place that had a cave and was surrounded by trees. उसने वो तैयार हो गया, वो गया एक केव के पास जो चारों तरफ ट्री से सराउंडेड था बेटा. The old man took Aladdin near the cave and said, "Lift this stone for me, nephew, and go into the cave below." Walk through the place and you will see a lot of gold there. तुम वहाँ जाओगे ढेर से तुम्हें वहाँ गोल्ड दिखाई देगा. Do not touch it. टच नहीं करना. You will then pass through a garden full of wonderful fruit, trees, and beyond those trees you will find a lamp. वहाँ उसके पास एक तुम लैंप पाओगे. Get the lamp carefully and pour out the oil. Walk towards the opening of the cave and give the lamp to me. If you will get me the lamp, I will buy a shop for you in the city. But the old man had lied. He was not Aladdin's uncle. वो झूठ बोल रहा था, वो अलादीन का अंकल नहीं था. He was actually a wicked magician. Evil and cunning. Wicked means बेटा evil and cunning magician था. Who wanted to use the boy's services for his own benefits. वो उस बॉयज को यूज करता था, अपने बेनिफिट के लिए करना चाहता था. आफ्टर अलादीन वुड ब्रिंग हिम द लैम्प, द मैजिशियन प्लान टू शट हिम इन द केव एंड लीव हिम टू डाई. Aladdin was frightened still. He gathered courage and lifted the stone. He saw some steps leading down into the cave. Down in the cave, Aladdin found all as he had been told. He passed through rooms filled with gold. Okay? And the garden where on the trees hung shimmering. Shimmering means shining and glowing. Shimmering means shining and glowing fruits of different colors. At the far end he saw an old lamp. वहाँ उसको एक old lamp भी दिखाई दिया. Aladdin took the lamp, poured out the oil from it. Give me the lamp, demanded the magician as soon as Aladdin came into sight. Okay, students. Next, help me out first, replied Aladdin. उसने कहा पहले तुम मुझे help करो. Who could not hand him the lamp because his arms were so full. While they were arguing, the stone slab fell back into the place and the cave's entrance was closed. The magician pushed hard but could not move the stone from the outside, nor could Aladdin make it move from inside. He was trapped. The magician was furious now. He knew he had failed in his quest. Quest means long search of something. And decided to leave the country at once. Okay? For 2 days, Aladdin was trapped in the cave and tried hard to get out. He became weak with hunger and thirst. He could not think of escaping and felt helpless. He did not know where to go and whom to ask for help. Then all of a sudden, अचानक his hand rubbed the lamp by mistake. By mistake के द्वारा उसका हाथ लैम्प से रब्ड हुआ है ना. Then all of a sudden his hand rubbed the lamp. By mistake के द्वारा उसका हाथ से लैम्प रब्ड हुआ. There was a blinding flash and out came a jinn. Aladdin could not believe this. Aladdin could not believe his eyes. He was really scared. The jinn bowed to him and said in a booming voice, I am the genie of the lamp. You are my master and I will do anything you command. Command means order. तुम जो order दोगे मैं वो करूँगा. What can I do for you, master? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ, master? The boy was still confused. वो confused हो गया. But he gathered courage and asked the genie to take him home, and before he knew it, he was with his mother. Aladdin thanked the genie. When he reached home, his mother was overjoyed to see him. माँ बहुत खुश हुई बेटे को देख के अपने जब वो घर पहुंचा. He narrated the entire incident to his mother, who was totally baffled. Means confused, बहुत confused था. Aladdin rubbed the lamp again. उसने फिर लैम्प को रब किया फिर से. And when the jinn appeared, he commanded, "Get me some food." In a few minutes, there were 12 silver dishes of food. Wow! And 12 silver cups of drinks on the table. Aladdin and his mother ate as they had never eaten before. वो लोगों ने खाए जो उसको पहले कभी नहीं खाया था. They had enough for several days. And then Aladdin began to sell the silver dishes and cups and earn money. Both Aladdin and his mother were extremely happy, and they kept fulfilling their wishes for the next few years. Okay, student? Understood? Now let's get started with the exercises. Answer the following questions. Who did Aladdin live with? Answer number A. Aladdin lived with his mother. Okay? Aladdin lived with his mother. Question number 2. What lie did the magician tell Aladdin and his mother? Magician told Aladdin and his mother that he was his uncle. Next. Where did the magician take Aladdin? Magician took Aladdin to caves. Next, what promise did the magician make to Aladdin if he got him the lamp? Magician promised Aladdin to buy him a shop in the city if he got the lamp. Question number 5. E. What did Aladdin do with the lamp? Aladdin rubbed the lamp. Aladdin rubbed the lamp. Okay, student? Next. Degrees of comparison. Okay? We add er and est to adjectives to compare nouns. Complete the following table. The first one has been done for you. Adjective loud. Er लगा देंगे तो louder. louder. And est loudest. loudest. Next, short, shorter, shorter. est लगाएंगे तो shortest बेटा. Safe, safer, safest. Okay? Wait, waiter. wetter or wettest. wettest. Okay? Next, low, lower, lowest. Large, larger, largest. Fast, faster, fastest. fastest. Next, complete the following sentence using the words given in the brackets. A. Rahul is the boy in the class. इसमें क्या ब्लैंक्स में क्या भरेंगे इसमें? राहुल इज द naughtiest. Rahul is the naughtiest boy in the class. Next, milk is than any other drink. Milk is tastier, tastier, tastier than other drink. Next, Rajasthan is hotter, Hotter. Rajasthan is hotter than Shimla. Radha is a tall girl, Tall, tall girl. Red chili is spicier, Spicer, than green chili. Okay, students, do you your CW copy and learn it. Understood? Thank you. Bye bye.